Grand Paris Express, a monumental infrastructure project poised to redefine Paris's urban landscape. We explore its inception, the ambitious goals for enhancing the metro system, and the project's phases, emphasizing its scale and the advanced technologies employed. The project is framed as a catalyst for sustainable city living, aiming to increase green spaces and reduce carbon emissions, in line with Paris's vision for the 2024 Olympic Games. Highlighted are the challenges of constructing deep underground tunnels and stations, the strategic use of software for project management, and the societal impacts, including reduced vehicle dependence and the promotion of greener urban environments. The narrative captures the essence of Paris's transformative journey towards becoming a leading sustainable city, underpinned by a revolutionary approach to public transportation. The Grand Paris Express stands as a monumental project, unmatched in Europe for its scope and ambition. With a staggering investment of $45 billion, this expansive rail network will weave beneath Paris, extending over 200 kilometers. It's a breathtaking undertaking featuring 68 new stations and the creation of 4 new automated metro lines, alongside the extension of 2 existing ones. This massive infrastructure will daily accommodate 3 million passengers, slashing travel times by up to half an hour. A highlight of the project is a colossal 76-kilometer circular route, linking the city's outer suburbs in an unprecedented manner. At the height of construction, tunneling machines 100 meters in length advanced at a rate of 12 meters per day, marking the project's scale and its potential to fundamentally reshape Paris. Paris, renowned for its revolutionary spirit and constant evolution, has witnessed numerous significant transformations throughout history. Notably, between 1853 and 1870, Napoleon III orchestrated the demolition of the city's medieval quarters, paving the way for the iconic grand boulevards that define the city's charm. In a similar vein of transformative ambition, this new railway project stands as a modern counterpart to such historic endeavors. Currently, the Paris metro system primarily caters to the central part of the city, leaving much to be desired in terms of comprehensive urban connectivity. Paris is far more than its 20 districts. It's a vast megacity with a population of approximately 7.2 million people. Enhancing the public transport network, particularly the metro, can bridge gaps between isolated regions, fostering new hubs of activity. This concept isn't new. London's iconic tube network and China's expansion of metro lines around Shanghai and Beijing are prime examples of how effective public transit can transform urban landscapes. Above Dadi, the scale of the Grand Paris Express is massive. Image courtesy of Société des Grands Projets. The crown jewel of Paris transportation transformation is Line 15, a sprawling 76-kilometer circular route poised to redefine urban connectivity. This line intricately links the southern and eastern suburbs to Saint-Denis in the north and the bustling business hub of La Défense in the west. Designed as a vast loop encircling the city's periphery, it enables direct suburban interconnectivity, bypassing the central city. This development is not just a transportation upgrade, it's a catalyst for urban regeneration and economic revitalization. Paris is set to evolve from a city dominated by a single core to a dynamic, multipolar urban landscape, marking a new era of inclusivity and expansion through innovative infrastructure, a true railway revolution. Above, the express will connect disparate areas of Paris that desperately need it. Image courtesy of Société des Grands Projects. The vision for this expansive project dates back to 2007, with the construction of new lines commencing in June 2015. This ambitious undertaking is scheduled to unfold in stages, culminating in 2030. The network will feature fully automated, driverless trains cruising at an impressive speed of 60 kilometers per hour, almost twice the velocity of the current Paris metro. This innovation is anticipated to significantly alleviate the issue of driver shortages that has affected several lines. Remarkably, 75% of this new network will traverse underground through dual-lane subway tunnels, necessitating a colossal tunnel boring effort. Hidden from the view of Parisians, gargantuan tunnel boring machines, each 100 meters in length, are steadily crafting tunnels at a daily progress of 10 to 12 meters, achieving an annual advance of 3 kilometers. These machines are initially lowered into the ground in pieces through shafts situated along the tunnel's path, and then assembled on-site beneath Paris's streets. As they progress, the TBMs not only excavate but also reinforce and line the tunnels with with concrete, ensuring a secure structure ready for the subsequent installation of mechanical, electrical, and computer systems. Above, the TBMs carefully maneuver under foundations and existing structures, image courtesy of Société des Grands Projets. At the zenith of construction activities in 2020, development on all 4 new lines and the extensions of Line 14 were occurring in tandem. Unlike the metro tunnels of the early 20th century, which lay approximately 10 meters below the surface, the Grand Paris Express tunnels are situated 30 to 40 meters underground. This strategic depth circumvents a century's worth of subterranean utilities and infrastructure. Notably, the Saint-Maur-Créhay station, located in the city's southeast, sets a record for depth. Burrowed 52 meters below, it will not only be the deepest station of the Grand Paris Express network, but also the deepest in all of France. Constructing the new stations introduces an additional layer of intricacy. Initially, a durable waterproof wall encircles the construction site, approximately 9,000 square meters in area, forming a 60-meter deep rectangular workspace for the forthcoming excavation. Before the arrival of the massive tunnel boring machines, TBMs, 60% of the station's structural engineering work is completed, cutting through the bedrock to reach the designated location. After completing the excavation phase, the construction of the internal architecture begins. This phase includes erecting multiple floors, intermediate mezzanines, platforms, and the roof slab, elements of the station directly encountered by passengers. Above, internal structures are built after excavation work is done. These will become future stations. Image courtesy of Société des Grands Projects. Léo Bell, a project designer and detailer with Bouygues, highlights the Grand Paris Express as one of the most significant urban endeavors in Europe, marking an unprecedented milestone in the city's transportation development. Having contributed nearly 2 years of work to this project, Bell emphasizes the importance of seamless integration and timely execution across all segments of this vast operation. A critical factor in achieving this efficiency has been the use of Trimble's technology. The project has heavily relied on Trimble's suite of tools for essential tasks. Field surveys, which are pivotal for tracking construction progress and establishing precise reference points for the workforce, were performed using the Trimble Access software, alongside Trimble S7 total stations and the Trimble TSC7 controller. Specifically, the Tunnels module within the Trimble Access software provides a tailored solution for the automatic measurement and analysis of points within tunnel rings. This technology has been vital for the construction teams, enabling not only accelerated project timelines but also the provision of more comprehensive data. Trimble's innovations are currently being utilized across several locations within the Grand Paris project, significantly contributing to its advancement and success. Above, Trimble has been crucial in the development of the Grand Paris Express, image courtesy of Société des Grands Projects. Bell points out the exceptional performance of Trimble and its software, which surpasses other market leaders in managing complex construction data. He emphasizes the importance of working with detailed structural data, including specific attributes for each piece of reinforcement, and how Trimble excels in facilitating this process. The ability to handle vast amounts of information, from design through to exporting models for collaborative efforts, is where Trimble's strength lies, making it invaluable for managing intricate construction workflows. In the context of today's construction demands, there's an increasing need to produce detailed documentation and share extensive data through digital modeling. For the Grand Paris Express project, Trimble provides a suite of tools essential for executing such a comprehensive project under demanding conditions. As for the project's progress, it has reached over 30% completion. Although initially there was hope to conclude the project before the 2024 Olympics, a more realistic timeline has been set. Now, the plan is to open just the first segment, including the Line 14 extension, in time for the Olympic Games. This will help accommodate the influx of an expected 16 million tourists coming to Paris for the Olympics, alleviating some of the transportation pressure. Above, the Express is part of several massive changes undergoing Paris for the Olympics. Image courtesy of Société des Grands Projects. In recent years, Paris has embarked on an ambitious journey to reinvent itself as one of Europe's leading sustainable cities, aligning perfectly with the eco-friendly ethos of the 2024 Games. The city is striving to transform its urban landscape to comprise 50% green spaces by 2030, a significant increase from its current 9.5%. Additionally, the French government has committed to reducing carbon emissions by 27.6 million tons by the year 2050. This environmental strategy includes reclaiming roads for pedestrian use and reducing vehicular traffic. The Grand Paris Express is a key player in this initiative, potentially reducing the need for 150,000 vehicles on Paris's roads and significantly contributing to the city's carbon reduction efforts. By enhancing the reach and efficiency of public transportation, the government anticipates that the benefits of an accessible and economical metro system will surpass the challenges and costs associated with car travel, especially during peak hours. Paris's history is marked by transformative revolutions, and the Grand Paris Express is poised to be its latest groundbreaking venture. This project is not just another metro line. It represents a monumental, once-in-a-century infrastructure endeavor that leverages construction to unlock new possibilities for the French capital like never before. In conclusion, the Grand Paris Express project embodies a revolutionary step in urban development and public transportation, poised to significantly impact Paris's sustainability, connectivity, and overall livability. Through extensive construction efforts, innovative technologies, and strategic planning, this project aims to extend the metro system, enhance public transportation efficiency, and foster environmental sustainability. By reducing reliance on personal vehicles, increasing green spaces, and improving urban infrastructure, Paris is set to transform into a more accessible and eco-friendlier city. The project therefore stands as a testament to the power of ambitious infrastructure developments in shaping the future of metropolitan areas, reflecting a broader commitment to addressing contemporary urban challenges and advancing towards a more sustainable and interconnected urban future.